Oh, yeah. Speaking about travel, Canada is set to ease quarantine rules for vaccinated travelers. This is hugely important news for us. Well, I was supposed to go to Detroit to look at the new Lightning truck, and I'm like, what do I have to do to get back in? And previously, it was a 14-day quarantine if you leave and come back for any reason. So I'm like in a hotel or something for 14 days. Maybe I could be at home, or you need to give a plan, and it just... Anyway, it worked out because they're going to have the Lightning truck over here in the studio, which is even cooler, coming up next week. So definitely peek around the Unbox Therapy channel for that one. Can't wait to check that out. Like I said, as a truck person, as an F-150 customer, this is very interesting to me.
This is personal.
It got personal.
I hear you.
Anyway, it's still good to have the some sort of travel thing take place because people got to move on. There's all kinds of reasons, man. There's all kinds of businesses that have been affected, all kinds of people and families that haven't been able to see one another and things like this. There needs to be a plan going forward. And so these border rules that exist right now date all the way back to March of last year. Good Lord. Anyway, the word is now that things may open up fairly soon, maybe as soon as like June 20th, or maybe even before that. Look at this. The plan is expected to be announced within days, though the timing could shift according to people. These are people with information on the matter. It isn't clear when the changes would be implemented or whether Canada would open up its borders to non-U.S. travelers at the same time. But this would be travelers, I guess, Canadians, vaccinated Canadians leaving and coming back.
Right.
You got to have the 2 vaccine doses, though. I'm only on the single right now.
Right.
I got to get doubled up. And then I can go do, because there was another one. What was Kirk telling me? Rivian, with the Rivian truck. They were like, yeah, you got to come over here. I can't go anywhere right now.
Get your second dose.
I'm in Canada. I can't go there right now. Not easily. But anyway, this is
there's movement here.
There's a plan. There's movement. There's a protocol. But it does get sensitive because people are like, what do you mean vaccinated only? What are vaccine passports? What does it all mean? Future, children of men, death, destruction, apocalypse. This is the first sign. You know what I mean? The vaccine passport is the beginning of the end. I'm sure you've seen all this.
Yeah, but that escalated very quickly.
Oh, you mean the way that I presented it? Yeah. Well, I've been watching that show on Netflix, so.
Okay.
So Sweet Tooth.
Sweet.
Yeah, and it's like an actual sickness, and right. There's no spoil. I'm not spoiling anything, but it's an actual sickness. It's in the trailer.
Yeah. And
it's mapping accordingly to some of the stuff that has gone on the past year, which makes me wonder, like, when were they producing the show, or was that storyline? I mean, I should know the answers to these things, but I do not. But either way, enjoyable. I think I'm almost done this thing, actually. Maybe I'm like 4 episodes or something.
All right.
So I'll let you know, Will.
Yeah, if you recommend it or not.
I might have to dress up in a costume for the watch party like you do. If I really get into it.
Like this little boy here?
If I really get into it like you were with the Game of Thrones outfits.
Sure.
Then you might see me like this on the next episode. Right. It's probably not going to happen.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, yes, travel coming soon. Canadians, rejoice. There's a plan.